Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the best plasma welders designed to deliver precision, speed, and versatility for your welding projects. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional fabricator, these machines can handle a variety of materials with ease. We'll review the top models, their standout features, and why they're an excellent choice for your workshop. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to upgrade your welding game, let's get started. Number 5. Zojin 50A Plasma Cutter Welding Machine. When it comes to professional-grade plasma cutters, the Zojin 50A Plasma Cutter Welding Machine stands out for its impressive performance, versatility, and efficiency. Whether you're working with stainless steel, aluminum, copper, or alloy materials, this plasma cutter ensures smooth, precise cuts every time. At the heart of the Zojin is advanced inverter technology, utilizing IGBT for increased efficiency and reduced size. The machine operates with 50 Hz per 60 Hz frequency, stepping up to high frequencies over 100 kHz, which results in more stable power and consistent cutting results. Thanks to this innovative inverter design, the unit's weight and dimensions are significantly reduced, while offering a 30% boost in overall efficiency compared to traditional models. One of the standout features of the Zojin 50A is its easy-to-use pilot arc system. The high-frequency oscillation principle ensures a smooth arc start, which is crucial for cutting through various metals, including thicker materials. The machine also boasts functions like gas pre-flow and post-flow settings, ensuring optimal gas usage for better cutting quality. This plasma cutter is engineered with the end user in mind, offering stabilized cutting. Expect smooth, clean cuts without the need for polishing. Number 4. SUSM CT418 Plasma Welder. For hobbyists, small workshop owners, or anyone in need of a reliable welding and cutting machine, the SUSM CT418 Plasma Welder is a game changer. This 4-in-1 multifunctional machine offers everything you need for a variety of metalworking projects: plasma cutting, TIG welding, MMA, stick welding, and pulse welding, all packed into one compact, powerful unit. With its IGBT inverter technology, the SUSM CT418 ensures efficient energy use while delivering impressive cutting and welding performance. It can handle a max cutting thickness of 3/4 inch. Number 3. HEROCUT 55 amps Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter. When it comes to cutting-edge technology and efficiency, the HEROCUT 55 amps Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter stands in a league of its own. Designed for professionals and hobbyists alike, this cutting machine is a must-have for anyone tackling metalwork projects with precision and ease. Impressive features for seamless operation. Equipped with a digital current display and an air meter, the HEROCUT 55P ensures users can accurately monitor air pressure and current settings. The inclusion of 2T/4T/PT functions and a rear time setting, adjustable between 2 to 15 seconds, extends consumable lifespan and adds convenience to every cut. Exceptional cutting performance. This plasma cutter doesn't just cut, it dominates. Number 2. HEROCUT HC8000 CNC Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter. When it comes to cutting-edge plasma cutting for CNC systems, the HEROCUT HC8000 sets a new standard. Designed for professionals seeking precision and durability, this blowback non-HF cutting machine is a game-changer for workshops and industrial settings. Built for versatility and efficiency, the HEROCUT HC8000 boasts an impressive cutting thickness of 30 mm at 70 psi with consistent performance. For short-run tasks, it can even tackle up to 35 mm with ease. Its blowback pilot arc technology ensures a non-HF operation, making it safer and more efficient for CNC applications. Whether you're crafting detailed designs or cutting heavy-duty materials, this machine adapts effortlessly to your needs. Seamless integration with CNC systems. Equipped with a CNC port and a 1-to-1 voltage ratio, the HC8000 is designed to integrate seamlessly with CNC cutting tables. Number 1. Andeli Plasma Cutting Machine. The Andeli Plasma Cutting Machine Cut 50D/Cut 50DS combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design, delivering powerful performance for a variety of metalworking tasks. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, this plasma cutter is your gateway to clean, precise cuts with minimal effort. Exceptional cutting performance. With a 15-50A DC output, the Andeli Plasma Cutter achieves an ideal clean cut of up to ½ inch and a maximum cutting thickness of 3/4 inch under 220V.
Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.